And we're back to learning CapCut in the year day 101. Let me show you how I can create manual mouse transitions. We add two clips. I use B, the split tool, and cut this one short. They're stacked on top of one another. So one is on video channel 1, one on video channel 2. The one above on video channel 2 I select, then I go to video mask and add a mask. Make sure that the dropdown is open and that the box is checked. We switch to split. And I rotate it right here and check. I can also do it right here numerically. Let me go to 29.5. Maybe we want to add the transition right here. Simply left click on the diamond icon for position and then drag it downwards until it's out of frame. Go forward, and here the transition should stop. We simply add another keyframe by clicking on the diamond, and then we drag it to the other side of the preview window. And now the movement, the position is animated. And if I play it, you can see this moves now in diagonal fashion. And this is often, for example, used in Star Wars movies, especially older ones by George Lucas. You can reposition these keyframes, make it faster. So if the gap's smaller, it's going to be faster. If the gap's wider, it's going to be slower. And in Star Wars, usually a feather is added. So there's a little bit of a gradient. You can add that right here. So super easy to do. You can do that from all directions, top to bottom, left to right, or diagonally, as you've seen here. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.